In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time on tasks in Goodday. Tracking your time properly is really important if you want accurate reports, better planning, or if you simply need to know where your day is going. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to start, stop, and submit time entries directly from a task in Goodday, so everything stays organized in one place. First, open your browser and go to the Goodday workspace where you manage your projects. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you have access to the project and tasks you want to track time on. Next, find and open the specific task you want to work on. This could be from your task list, a board view, or any other view you typically use. Just click on the task name to open its details panel or full view. This is where you'll see all the information about the task, including its description, status, and any comments. At the top area of the task window, look for a small clock icon. This is the time tracking button. Click on that clock icon to open the time tracking options for this particular task. You should see controls related to logging time, including an option to use a built-in timer. To start tracking the time you're spending on this task, click on Start Timer. As soon as you do this, Goodday will begin counting the time in the background. From this point, simply work on your task as you normally would. Try to remember that the timer is running, especially if you switch tasks or step away from your desk. When you're done working on this task, or you need to pause, click on the clock icon again to bring the timer options back into view. This opens the same area where you started the timer. Now, click on Stop Timer. This will end the current timing session and prepare a time entry based on how long the timer was running. After stopping the timer, a small form or dialog will appear where you can fill in the details. Here, you can review the duration, adjust the time if needed, and often add information like the date, type of work, or a short description